especially in the areas of energy, digestion, skin, my immune system, and did you know that essential oils are up to 50 to 70 times more powerful than herbs? The bad news is that there's a lot of brands out there for herbs, teas, and essential oils, and it can be a little confusing, especially since there's different quality standards and internal use do's and don'ts. The good news is that there are 3 doTERRA essential oils that I'd like to use to improve my quality of life and supplement my wellness lifestyle, and you can too. The process is pretty quick and easy. First, you boil some water, ideally reverse osmosis or alkaline. Pour it into a ceramic mug and add 1 to 2 drops of your favorite doTERRA essential oil in there. The first one that I recommend is the doTERRA Peppermint essential oil, which I have right here. Boom! I love to use peppermint because it opens up my airways, supports healthy digestion, and freshens my breath. The second one is doTERRA Lemon Oil, which I have right here. Bam! Lemon is amazing at cleansing your body of unwanted toxins, supports your immune system, has a great flavor, and is very uplifting to your senses. The third one is doTERRA Ginger, right here. Ginger is great for soothing occasional indigestion and nausea, has a soothing aroma, and supports your digestion, and is complementary to the peppermint. The key to a wellness lifestyle is not waiting until something bad happens with your health and you get stuck in a proverbial ditch. I've learned that being proactive instead of reactive will save you the most time and money in the long run. But you have to have the right education and support to do so. The doTERRA LRP, or Loyalty Rewards program, is one way to do this, and it's like a frequent flyer program where the more oils you buy over time, the more you save, which I have some more videos on my channel if you want to check those out and get more details. I have been ordering monthly on this program since November of 2013 and have benefited tremendously from this, especially in the areas of energy, digestion, skin, my immune system, and just overall reducing my stress levels. On top of all of that, I love making my own drinks, homemade teas, and smoothies while using doTERRA essential oils. Speaking of making your own drinks, the Avente glass electric kettle is a convenient way to boil up to 1.7 liters of water in 7 minutes or less. It's great for making essential oil teas, hot cocoa, even coffee, and it shuts off on its own when the pot has reached its designated boiling temperature. To learn more, make sure to click the link in the description area below this video. And other than that, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.